नमस्कार दोस्तों, यूएस लीगल में आपका स्वागत। एंड टुडे कर्नाटका हाई कोर्ट हैज़ directed the magistrate in which the domestic violence cases take place, and these domestic violence cases would be decided within 60 days from the date of filing. And uh, and Justice of Karnataka has made a several observation regarding about the Domestic Violence Act and Domestic Violence Act and section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act, where the aggrieved party has filed her complaint in the magistrate court, and after that in the magistrate court, and initially it was given a complaint to the protection officer, and after that there was sometime the FIR is also lodged, and there would be a no delayed or denied justice. And there are other sections which are also essential in the Domestic Violence Act, that is section 18, 19 and 20, and along with section 12, and after that section 12 of the application, and there are other application which is filed by the victim, section 18, 19 and 20, in which victim is claiming for shelter, accommodation, also for the property, uh, property property. And in section 12 of the Domestic Violence Act has stated that victim has narrate the story, what was happened to her in the matrimonial home, and how he was victim in the house, and what was happened and what was happened in the house. And after that sometime there was a problem of dowry which is asked by the victim husband in the house. And to prove his case and to fight in the society, to get a justice from the society, the victim has to be filed the application. And along with the application there are other application which is filed in which there is accommodation, monetary relief. And there is also another section which is section 23 of the Domestic Violence Act, where interim maintenance is also granted to the victim in the domestic violence case. And how the domestic violence case is prevailing. Domestic violence case is prevailing when the husband and wife are not living in a cordial relationship. They both have been fighting with each other, and both have been teasing, creating a conflict with each other. And sometimes the major reason which take place in domestic violence act is when wife is unable to bear her expensive, like food, shelter, and other expensive the things purchased from the market. And other also is that if victim has a children, and victim is unable to provide food, clothes, school fees, and school bags, and other equipment which is needed to live in the society, to survive in the society, then victim has to be filed the application section bar of the Domestic Violence Act. And this application is filed against the husband. And after that court has concluded the matter, and court has decided that victim husband has granted a maintenance to the wife. And after that and other essential thing is also given to the victim, and which is given by the victim husband to the victim. And kindly like, share and subscribe my video.